15% or more on car insurance.
It's my 90.
And now it's time.
Started off as a long bed, monster truck edition. I shortened the bed up, put the bag system, tucked it on them sixes, two-toned it. See, same hog right there. Wired all up, molded front. Yeah, that bitch wet.
That was a 56-yard touchdown to Pine Creek, made it 14-7. Alemán had
Bags.
a field goal from 22 yards out. 14-10 at that point. Spencer Ware then put LSU on top for the first time, 17-14 on that 1-yard rushing touchdown. Wallace came right back. They went for a first down on 4th and 3 in this drive. Wallace got the touchdown, 21-17. Alemán had to settle for another field goal, 21-20. And another 4th down conversion on 4th and 3, and Mackey went in, 28-20. And then Beckenberger just engineered a wonderful drive.
And if you look at this play,
Tucking on them sixes.
Trey Elson is here, but I think he should be over here. And that's the mix-up on the play. He lines up on the wrong side. Mike Mary points over and he